Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a tutorial on how to use the Monogram It app on your iPhone or iPad and move the file to Design Space. So let's get started. So first, tap on the plus sign on the top right hand corner. On the lower screen, there's a panel that you can play with and see what you like, such as pattern frame, monograms. I'm just going straight to monogram to do a basic one. Then type the text, apply, change the color, and save. Click continue, tap on the file, export, save image, go back or hit the home button on your phone. Now go to your Cricut Design Space app. So we are going to upload and then select from photo library. Choose the file. This is the screen where you will be cleaning up your file. So I just click on the spots that I don't want, and on the top right hand corner that is the preview of your file. So you can play with it and see where or what it's doing for you before you hit next. I'm okay with this, so I will hit next. Name the file. Click save. Go to image, choose the file, and insert. And that's how to use Monogram It app on your iPhone or iPad and move the file to Design Space. Alright guys, if you find this video helpful, please give it a like, and if you want to see more, please don't forget to click subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later.